If I don't look this cute, that means the braids failed. Join me as I prepare to travel. Loves, can you believe I've not stepped out of UK since I got here? So come with me, join me as I prepare to travel. So today we're going to fix my hair. I have this on because I just finished filming content about my JEEN wig. If you haven't watched it, then please do. I'm going to braid my hair. I feel braids are low maintenance hairs. I know my hair needs to be washed every week, so I don't really do braids, but allow your baby girl to slay for this vacation. So guys, I'm going to take you along whilst I do that. I have a few things to do this week ahead of the trip. So I have to braid my hair. I will have to get some travel essentials. I have to get a bag which is suitable for travel. But you know this Wizz Air Ryanair saga. I don't want to pay extra for my baggage. And I'll have to get some toiletries, travel size toiletries. Maybe some few medications, some this or that, yeah. But I'll be taking you guys along throughout my prep and possibly a pedicure. I'll packing my things. We'll do everything together whilst you guess where I'm traveling to. Let me know where you think I'm traveling to in the comment section. But I stepped out without this. But the weather, you know how sunny it is. It's still 4 degrees and it's cold. Like, you know, I'm not about to freeze. I'm my mom's only daughter. I'm not about to freeze. So I just quickly put this on. Guys, what do you think about my glasses? It's from Firmoo. It's from Firmoo. My baby girl is laughing at me, but hey, remove. So I was saying, you know how everything comes together, right? It's coming together with this, right? If after the braids, if I don't look this cute, that means the braids failed. That means it failed me, guys. It failed me. So, see ya. Oh, this one. Loves. I passed by Grits to pick chicken bake. I had to get my hair washed and dried, blow dried, before we go to the braids. You know, I don't like sitting for braids, but I had to do it because I had to look cute.
A few moments later.
Who this? So guys, yeah, I'm done with my hair. Hey, good morning guys, good morning loves, hope you're well. So I'm stepping out to go have my pedicure done, dressing up, then that's it. And I'll go buy some travel essential items as well. I think I'm running out of a few things, but I'm not going to do a monthly restock since I won't be here. I'll do that when I come back, when I return from where I'm going to. Get ready with me. It's not really a get ready with me, man. Get ready with me. Okay. I don't want to show you my toenails now. It sucks. It's not nice at all. It's not nice. Trust me on that. It's not. If you know me, you know I love t-shirts. I love outfits which are loose, like it will make you feel okay. That's what the kind of vibe. Okay. On this big denim jean. Then the perfume for the day will be Moonlight Whisper from Zara. So let me know guys if you want to know the kind of perfumes I use. The Zara perfumes. I'll review all the Zara perfumes. These perfumes, like, it smells so lovely. Lovely. Okay, it smells lovely. Alright, so that's it. Guys, the weather is so nice.
This one I better do me, I know get tired. Cover my face, calling me big man way to what's it going?
Hello, I'm done with the pedicure. Going to get the travel essentials. Wish me luck. I don't know what was happening to my toenail, but it looks funny. I know. I chose white again. So please let me know what other color you think would be nice to suit my skin tone. Comment. I look funny now. I'm going to explain if you don't hear me. So I look funny now because when I was stepping out, I thought I took just this, but only to find out I took this. And I'll be going to the shop, so I don't want to be holding lots of items. I don't want to be tagged. Yes, I have to be everything on now, and I'm looking somewhere. But anyway, let's see what we can get from here. For the small sizes, I need a toothpaste. So pick a toothpaste, then find the rest. First, this travel bag. Let's still. Yeah. How many mils? Okay, I think I'll get one of these. That's a miser. $2.19. Here's a cream. I can't find it. Taking this. I feel it's going to be too small, but a part of me saying it's okay. I love suspense. £12.63 here. So now I just have to get the power bank and sunscreen. I'm going back to One Below. I know they sell some cool power banks. Then I'll get the sunscreen. Look at the travel section. That reminds me, I've not bought a travel adapter. They got cute bags as well. So let's begin. Guys, I think I found my bag. This 40 by 30 by 20. How much is it? Like £3. Yeah. I'm in B&M now and still checking out other power banks. So this is the one I found here. It's £10 and it's just 5,000. I don't know how long it's going to last. The one I found in B&M was 10,000. It was too bulky. I want something slimmer, lightweight, and I think this passes. Yeah.
Anything electrical, you got 12 scissors, okay? Just make sure you keep doing the same.
Time to pick a sunscreen. We're home now. Just have to paint my fingernails. But these, oh god. Guys, you know, if someone ever told me that preparing for a holiday is tiring, like it involves a lot, okay, I wouldn't have believed the person. Now here I am, like roaming around the city center looking for things to buy. Luckily for me, I had these already. I had my skincare products in travel size. That's why you should use good products, because you definitely get travel size. I have my travel, so my skincare is sorted. I have these that I'll be using for my skincare when I travel, and you have to guess where I am going. I had to get this freezer bag, Ziploc thingy, because I need to put my every liquid thing in it. So this is, oh, I got a smaller one anyway, should fit in there. So I got this pack for £1. I got some scrunchies for my hair for £3. I think I have receipts of all the things I bought here. That is £8. What did I buy for £8? I bought a lot of things, guys. I bought a lot of things. Yeah, I love these kinds. I can put something on when I'm feeling cold, something lighter when I'm feeling too warm. So I bought these because I'm going to my outfit. When I'm packing, I'll pack with you guys. Oh yeah, this is what. Yeah, so I'll pack with you guys. This is padded, and I saw it on my way out of the shop. I had to buy my fleece stockings again because I'll be taking it when I'm going for the hike. That's what I'll wear if I don't change my mind last minute, like I always do. And you know what, I didn't want to buy this, but like buy a travel adapter because it's going to be useful. I'm going to have it forever. It's going to stay with me for life. You get it? So that 10 quid, I know my heart, but I bought that. And I got the this one, what's it called, power bank as well. That was also a tenner, so that was a 20 for both. That is 5,000 mAh. I'll be using that. Now I'll be going with my DJI Osmo Pocket to vlog. I'm currently vlogging on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, but I'll be using the DJI to vlog, so if it goes off I can just use it to as a standby, because the DJI comes with an extra battery and my phone as well lasts long anyway. But I need this because we are not ready to miss any footage, lovelies. We are not, so we got that. And oh yeah, my shower gel. I've run out of shower gel, so I had to get one of these. I'm not taking it along. I couldn't get a travel size for that. Yeah, so oh, I'm not taking this with me, but I bought it for my toilet. Then oh yeah, I couldn't get my cream, right? I know I couldn't get the smaller one. I had to buy this, and this is it. I don't know if it's so like it'll be just tiny in there. That means I have to be careful. I have to when I'm applying. Okay, maybe I have baby oil. I should get something to pour that in. Then this is cute, right? The deodorant spray. Whoop. Yeah, that's the deodorant spray. And I got this head and shoulder dandruff shampoo. I learned it's good for those who have acne, back acne. Yeah, so I'll be using that anyway. I got this baggage scale. The girl has bigger plans, okay? This is just our first trip outside, and I'm planning on traveling as often as I can. I got this toothpaste, Colgate. It's also small. Then my sunscreen. I can't find my Beauty of Joseon. Is it Joseon? Pardon me if I'm not able to pronounce it, but I can't find that sunscreen, so I bought a new one. Isn't sunscreen, and I think that's it. Oh yeah, now a travel size toothbrush from Body Care. I got vitamin C wipes for my face. Then Tic Tac. I don't go away without it. And yay, it's the holiday season, guys. All right guys, I'll see you when I am packing. I know the gets any younger, why my heart know the feet way longer, cause you the make I don't want it. You gonna be my lover. Never seen a boy act so shy. Oh no, never gonna make you cry. You know go wear no frown, baby, you go wear my crown. Cause ever since you came, life won't be the same. Many things you say, boy, don't make my day. You so fine and you're waiting all my life. You take me so high, far beyond the sky. And I love of my life. And you money, I'm in your bed into that. Or you move your soul and yeah. Surely I must confess, out of the million you confess. Many Mattia she would on there big no be back heavy I'm empty. Another fear no lie. Yeah, I can wait, come let's come back. Yes, I'm ready with a ring for the finger. Oh, my outfit in here. Then I took this. I'm going with this, but it has to fit inside that. And there's a twist, right? This is my airport outfit. There's my outfit, but I can't wear this because I'm going to take an Uber then a coach before I get to the airport. So I'm going to wear something else with my trench coat. Then when I get there, I'll just quickly change into this since it's an easy to put on outfit. And I'm not going to wear my sneaker because I want comfort. I'm going to wear the slippers. Then when I get to the airport, I'll just quickly change into my sneakers and put this in my bag. See you when I'm leaving to the airport. So I'm running late. I need to catch my coach and I'm running late. No, I've been able to clean up. I've cleaned up because I don't want to come back to meet the house so unkempt. Then I'll have a lot of work to do. I'm not ready for that. Oh, when I come, I'll meet everything all done, all ready for me to just relax. Now, there's my bag. It's not full. I have my sneaker in here. I'm wearing this and I'll change later. See ya. Am I the only one who prefers taking a coach to train? Because I feel it's comfortable and I don't have to do all those transfers and all. And trust me, I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat, guys. I'm never going to snack on something, because why was the mouth created? To eat and talk. So I got to the airport and the rest is history. I love so. I'm here now. Is the time? It's 2:47 a.m. Need to change. I managed to change in one of the washrooms and had to admire my cute little self in the mirror before proceeding for check-in. With Wizz Air, you have to check in online. If not, you're going to pay. So I did, then had to print my boarding pass. Loves, I have my boarding pass now, so I'm going to check my bag. Fingers crossed that is not over. I have everything sorted out and I have artificial hips. I have my camera in my pocket. Let's go check our bags. So that's it. It should fit there. It should fit here. Let's see. My bag is not fitting, guys. Guys, my bag is not fitting. I have mints here. So maybe I have to take the mints out. Oh, it fits. It's in. So we are good. Hooray! We are in, guys. I know I've not been able to give you a fit check, but you're going to see it when I touch down. So please guess where I'm going. It's been nice having you on this journey with me, and I know packing wasn't easy. It was difficult. It was so tiring. When it comes to that, I miss my mom. Yeah. Where's my airport? I couldn't even change the straps of my watch. Anywho, I love. So it's time to check in, pass through security. Okay, so guys, we've gone through security. We've passed security check. We are here at the duty free, and as usual, I'm smelling nice. Yes, I had to pinch. Yeah. Pass that section. So trying to get some things we couldn't get. Then our gate opens at 5:20. Then we can go in. Oh, it's not focusing. We can go check in. But yeah, that's it.
Baby, not the way that you're talking, the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look at you.
Gates open now, so we're heading. Alright, gate 23. We've been in the queue for almost an hour now.
Thank you. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't wanna see me ready. She give me butterflies in my belly. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, and my foot is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly.
Very good morning, the passengers are on board.
Finally boarded, sorry. I'm sitting, got to end this there.
Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. You play me, when I'm there with you, I realize love don't cost any dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me.
Hi loves, thanks for watching my vlog. Please do subscribe and watch out for the next video. Tell me where I am, where you think I am.